afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates. Today is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Our English lesson for today is about hope. Hope is the feeling that good things will happen even when life is tough. It helps us stay positive and look forward to future. Hope gives us strength to keep going and believe that things will get better. With hope, we can face challenge with a brighter outlook. Hope reminds us that good things are possible. It gives courage. It gives us courage to face each day. Hope push us forward to it.
Bring light
Even in a hard time. Thank you. Goodbye.